video, I'm going to be showing you how I place my designs on Printify. Alright, so for this example, I'm going to be doing the t-shirts for Printify. And so first, you got to make sure that you are clicking the correct store on the right top corner. After that, you want to go to Catalog. And then you want to go to your t-shirts. I'm just going to go to Women's Clothing t-shirts. And the one I'm going to select is this one right here, the first one, the Bella Canvas 3001. And it says the unisex jersey short sleeve tee. So I'm going to click on it. So this is the unisex jersey short sleeve tee, and I'm going to look for the print provider, and there are a lot of amazing print providers, but there's one that I use specifically, and it's called Dream Junction. So I'm just going to search for it. So this is the Dream Junction. I'm going to use them. They're really good with the shipping time, the production time here, so that's why I'm using them today. So I'm going to click on Start Designing. Alright, so this is the front side and the back side. I'm only going to do the front side for this example, but if you want something on the back, you got to click on this one as well. Alright, so we're going to go to Add Your Design. Alright, so we're going to go to My Device and just upload our design. Alright, so I just uploaded my design. You can't see it because it's a white tee, so I'm just going to go to Colors right here. And the ones that I'm going to use is going to be the Heather Black. So I'm going to look for it. It should say Heather Black. So let me just look for that here. Alright, I found Black Heather. This is the one I'm going to use. I'm going to uncheck the white one because I'm not going to use that. And I'm going to also look for the Gray Heather one. So Dark Gray Heather. So these are the two I'm going to use, Black Heather and Dark Gray Heather. So after that, you want to adjust the design. So I'm just going to move it to the top, and I'm going to expand it as much as possible without extending the borders. So let's see if I can do that. That looks good. I'm going to lower it just with the arrow key, just by 1. Make sure it's aligned. I'm going to use these alignments right here. It's aligned to the middle. So it looks great to me. Some of the principles that I like to do is put it to the chest area, the top area, and expand it as much as possible without extending to the borders. After that, I'm going to press Save Product. Alright, so after that, you're going to notice that you went to this page right here, and you're going to see your shirt, and I'm going to click on Edit Listing. Alright, so here is the mockup section right here. This is where you're going to fill out all the listings and your mockups. But for this part, I'm going to leave it for Etsy when I go into the Etsy dashboard, and I'm going to do all my mockups here. So I'm just going to leave these be. Alright, for the description, I'm just going to put the title just to help me out when I upload it to Etsy. I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to do this in Etsy. But if you want to do it, you can do it here as well. Alright, so for the pricing, I like to select all, and I like to go to Edit, and I like to go to Edit Profit Margin. I like to go to 60%. It really doesn't matter. It really depends on you, how much profit you get. By doing 60%, I get $12. If you want to go lower, you can go lower. Or if you want to go higher, you can go higher as well. I like to do 60%. Go to the bottom. It says Store Details. Product visibility in store, I'm going to just leave that as it is. Variant visibility, I'm going to do that one, the third one. So I'm going to leave it as default. And for create new shipping profile, I already have one, so I'm going to select it. So I selected my shipping profile. This is the one I use. If you don't have one already, then just create new shipping profile, and it's going to automatically make one for you in Etsy. After that, press publish.